Hello traders, hello investors, how are you guys doing today my friends? Welcome to another video here in the Finance Hydra channel. My name is Nathan and today Tesla is looking quite good right now. We are going up 1%. This is incredible. The S&P is dropping minus 0.12%. The Nasdaq is going up 0.01% right now. This is pathetic, but Tesla looks incredibly bullish. It still looks incredibly bullish. However, we do have a top sign today. This is a top sign. Should we worry about it? Should we panic about it? What if Tesla actually drops from here? If you are afraid of a correction, I think you should stick around in this video because I'm going to try to answer these questions and more. Just first remember, my dear friends, click on the like button to support this channel. If you're new around here, just subscribe. Why would you subscribe? Because I'm here every single day keeping you guys updated on Tesla and on other stocks as well. Now, Tesla is going up almost 1% right now. It is doing a technical bearish top sign over here, indicating a possible pullback. The high volume reinforces the idea of a top sign, okay? But still, despite this top sign, Tesla is going up. And let's consider the real possibility that this top sign in the daily chart is just a harmless pullback to the 21 EMA in the 1 hour chart. If Tesla retests its EMA in the 1 hour chart again, that would be just a harmless pullback. The trend would still be totally bullish in the short term and in the mid term as well. Now, what if Tesla loses its EMA in the 1 hour chart, Nathan? Well, then I believe we're gonna drop a little bit more. We have our first support level is at $843. This black line over here. In the daily chart, we can see it a little bit better. It was the previous resistance level on July 22 over here, okay? So if we actually trigger a pullback over here, Tesla could retest the $843 again, and this is it. The trend would still be bullish. But Nathan, what if the pullback is sharper than usual, than expected? I mean, what if we lose this black line that you are mentioning? Well, then we're going to retest the 21 EMA in the daily chart. That's the second support level for us to work with. And then the trend will be bearish. No, the trend would still be bullish, would still be totally bullish. What could possibly make the trend reverse and bearish again? Because Tesla has been quite bearish since let me see, April, right? So what could actually reverse it? Right now, since we are in a bull trend, doing higher highs, higher lows, for Tesla to trigger a bearish structure, we must do a higher high, a lower high, lower than the previous high, and then a lower low. If Tesla does this, then okay, this is a classic bearish reversal structure, and then Tesla will not be bullish anymore. This is the only thing, this is the only technical movement that could reverse Tesla from here. Tesla is not gonna crash and open in a gap around $600 down here, okay? This is not going to happen. We must see crystal clear bearish structures in order to believe that Tesla could possibly reverse the trend again. Right now we see a top sign, yes we do. The top sign was not triggered yet because Tesla is still clearly bullish in the 1 hour chart and the daily chart as well. If it triggers this top sign tomorrow, then okay, maybe you're gonna do a pullback. Targets, black line over here, 843. Second target, the 21 EMA in the daily chart. Keep in mind, the EMA is pointing upwards and it is going up as time passes. So the longer it takes for Tesla to drop, higher the 21 EMA will be in the future, offering us a higher support level on Tesla. This is why I tell you guys, so far Tesla is incredibly bullish. It is performing amazingly well. And did you subscribe to my premium newsletters already? I really recommend you subscribing because if you just check our weekly portfolio over here, it is performing amazingly well. My performance is totally public. You can just take a look on my website. The link is in the description of this video. And you'll see last week we performed almost 10%. It was our last week's performance was among the top 5 best performances this year, probably, right? It was a very nice, good performance. I really recommend you guys my newsletters. I give you guys some details about what we're gonna trade and etc. Seriously, I think you guys are going to enjoy my recommendations. This is my performance. The link to my website is in the description of this video. Our performance has been brutal in the past couple of weeks, and in 2022, this year was quite problematic. It is the worst year since the Great Depression, but still, we are performing quite good. So seriously, I really recommend my newsletter to you guys. Now, what if Tesla does not trigger any bearish structure? Well, it's going to hit our target, 955. I did receive a lot of hate when I told you guys about this target when Tesla started reversing, when we were down here. Tesla first did a bullish structure. We broke the $700 area, and then we hit our target at near $800, and then on July 21, I set a new target at 955. This video was public. You can just go back to my channel, check my video from July 21. I set a target at 955. To many, this was quite crazy. However, we almost hit our target today. Almost hit our target. Just by a few bucks over here. So, considering how pessimistic people were, consider the many bad catalysts we see around. I mean, we see a possible recession. I mean, the US is most likely is in a recession right now. We see the pandemic getting worse in some places, on China, etc. We see inflation, we see interest rates, we see dollar losing against euro for the first time since the past couple of decades. So we see many bad catalysts. But guys, you gotta understand, you gotta keep in mind, the market is a leading indicator. I am from Brazil, I'm Brazilian. This is not the first recession I'm trading, so believe me, maybe my experience will help you guys over here, right? Maybe this is gonna pay off right now. But keep in mind, the market is a leading indicator, and the fact that the US is in a recession right now does not necessarily reflect the stock market, equities, to be more specific, all right? So seriously, let's stick with the technique. Let's keep your eyes open at the signs. And remember, real trading is reactive. It is not predictive. Let's keep your eyes open at this possible top sign. If it gets triggered, I will warn you guys for sure. Either way, I already told you guys the targets, the support levels to work with, and the possible target we have from the upside to the 955, all right? So I think I summarized it quite well, all my thoughts in this video. If you liked the content, remember, subscribe to this channel, like this video in order to support me. These are all for free, right? Only the newsletter is not free. So seriously, I recommend subscribing. Thank you very much for watching this video, my dear friends. Stay safe. Farewell.